You have some big people there road still catch up a roadside a suck finger. Them little thing they burn up. And nothing more for step on that. You have some girl now have all 5 man and when you hear from the shout then still can go to come go buy one $5,000 mattress them. Them little thing they burn up. You have some girl now with them belly long till it out for drag ground and when you look you still see them over Devon House I eat ice cream. Them little thing they burn up. You have some next set of girl now keep all 3 man for the night. I want to really depend. Them little thing they burn up. The front can done to one night time and I want to feel like them little thing they burn up. You have some man now. So them a selector. Call themselves selector. And when you hear from the shout, then don't want a ESP, then don't want a earphone and them don't want a mic. Them little thing they burn up the selector, them a talk, them tired of you, I tell you. You can't call yourself selector and you don't have a mic and you don't have a headphone, them little thing they burn up. Nobody no want to sweat the headphone for put on for their ears when you done borrow and done sweat out. Nobody no in them little thing there. You have some man now. They road all day, them bun ganja, them mix spliff, them smoke cigarette, them lift up this, them lift up that, them open car door, them lock car door. And when you hear them coming straight up underneath them woman practice, them gone, say them a go finger up front with them dirty finger. Hey, nasty boy, and I go wash on one. Them little thing, they burn up. You have some man now say them a do bar business. And when you look the bartender, them wild when you go in there ask them feel a drink. Wah, a back like them. I walk like them a dog, them little thing they burn up, find nice girl put in your bar for make people come in there and spend money. And next set a man now say them a run go-go club. And when you look you going all of that, going a go-go club and when you go in there 10 of the girl about 10 of them, none of them no make one, them little thing they burn up. Why for them thing there? Girl them look like a some butter ears, you know, go down a St. Elizabeth, go find and just care come dash on stage like you think people are idiot. Find good girl care on stage if you know so now run go-go club or come out of go-go business, them little thing they burn up. When me say them burn up, them burn up, them burn up. You have some big girl right now still can't cook a pot of rice without to come out swam plaka like a quicksand. You them little thing they burn up. You have all a next set of girl now man. They not beg them man, you know. You can't get them beg the man with them a day with $1. They not beg them man $1. But anyway you see them go and see a next girl man. They beg your money now. Beg your money now. Me I tell you no right now the man them tired of you, the man them attack them little thing they burn up. Beg your man we are there, they're supposed to beg. Come off for some other man. You have some next girl now do them fingernail from Wappy Kill fill up. And 2 and 3 and 4 the fingernail them pop off and still at the road. Now them thing they not occur. Them not happen. This the video man them a catch you in a dance with it and it don't look good. If you can't keep up with refill the fingernail alone. You have some man now, you know. You have some man now. I try entertain them woman and them a take the thing too far. Una a take the thing too far. You have some man sit down and make some woman a lipstick them down and a face powder them down and a eyeliner. Yo, them little thing they burn. I want that. Yo, I want to really depend. Them, yo, me telling you say them little thing they burn up. Why for them thing they if your girl want to request them thing they make your girl know say it's a fish you have to go find car. But man a depend them thing they want to really depend. And worst of all me tell you say man you have some man right now a go around a thief man underpants off a line. It is becoming an epidemic and you need to stop it. Them little thing they burn up. Oh, you forgot to bumps and teeth and next man underpants off a line. Man underpants are something ever can shit stain in that. And from a colored brief, you know that now. Wash with no bleach. Oh, we had to walk up and down with the next man shit in your underpants in a fear body. Yo, and little thing they burn up.